That's a nice crappie. Real good. We'll keep that one. Another big slab. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about. You don't like that? Something's wrong with you. Hello, folks. I'm Greg Finn with Camo River Guides Service here on beautiful Lake Sam Rayburn in Deep East Texas. I'm a year-round state of Texas licensed crappie guide. Now, when you book a crappie trip with me, let me tell you what to expect. First of all, I work pretty hard knowing where these crappie are. Not only have I put dozens of brush piles out, but before you come out with me, I know which ones are producing. Secondly, I use side imaging and down scan on my Lowrance Gen 3 to locate schools of crappie. Another thing I do that's unique is I deploy my Motor Guide XI5 trolling motor, which is the latest in GPS technology. As you can see behind me right now, the XI5 is deployed in anchor position and automatically holding me just off this brush pile where this tree is. That way we have a good time catching crappie without worrying about constant boat positioning. Now when the guide trip is over and we've got a live well full of crappie, you can enjoy lunch at one of the local restaurants while I fillet your crappie and bag them so they're ready for your freezer. But that's not all. Something I do that I think is unique, I will videotape your fishing trip. After we're through that night, I'll go through and edit the video into some good action footage, download it into YouTube video, and email you the link so that you can share your fishing trip with your friends and family. Now that could be fishing with your wife, your son or your daughter, or maybe even your grandson. I want you to think about something for a minute. Consider booking a crappie trip with me and bringing your 8-year-old grandson and having video footage of you and him fishing. You know what? 50 years from now, he'll still have that video and show it to his grandchildren. Pretty amazing, isn't it? So I'd like for you to go ahead and book that trip with me out here on Sam Rayburn. We'll do some fantastic crappie fishing. We'll have a great time, but more important, you'll have recorded memories that are going to last a lifetime. I'm Greg Finn, and this is Camo River Guides Service out here on beautiful Lake Sam Rayburn in Deep East Texas. Now it's time for me to get back to catching some crappie.